Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over what the piggy bank in Township is and how you can possibly remove it. And yeah, let's get right into it. So what the piggy bank is a special offer which gives you the opportunity to get Township cash, otherwise known as T-cash, for real money at supposedly great prices. Now, while this offer is on, you'll get additional Township cash for each time you send off a transport vehicle, and the amount is denoted and varies for each means of transport. Now, you can see the maximum amount of money which you can save in the special offer window, and you can either buy out the cash all at once you've saved up enough, or you can just keep saving it until you reach the maximum. Now, this is a special offer, and it does require a real cash payment to actually get your Township cash out, and sadly it cannot be removed. I have tried to search for a method. I have not found a method. The best method is basically just ignoring it. It will still be there. You do not need to get that cash out. However, you can if you would like, and sadly there is no way to actually remove this piggy bank option from your game, so I'm sorry because the title of this video is a bit leading on. However, you can fill it up and buy it an unlimited number of times while the special offer is on, and once the special offer just goes away, the piggy bank should go away along with it. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys are happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another video.